Hey everyone, what have I got going on here today? This looks strange, right? This is a chaga mushroom nugget and I'm steeping it today. This is survival moss chaga. This is what it looks like in the bag. The beauty of using these nuggets is they can be reused and reused. You can steep them, cool it, pop it in the fridge, reuse it maybe dozens of times as long as you're pulling out the dark color from the chaga. And I'm telling you guys, I use this throughout the winter. Aren't they cool looking? I used it throughout the winter and I know it helped my immunity. And chaga is reported to have the highest ORAC value of food. So you get a huge antioxidant boost drinking chaga tea, as well as supporting your immune system and many other benefits. Link through to pick up some chaga nuggets for yourself and give it a try. By the way, it tastes great.